It's pre-filming food. Okay, we can start now. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all had a super beautiful and lovely beginning to your 2019. I have been doing lots of closet reorganizing and rejuvenating, getting rid of lots of things this new year, so that has been really, really nice. But today I am here to talk about trends from this year and things that have been really exciting to me and that I super duper love and hope never go away. And then also just kind of all the other trends and just kind of chatting about those and maybe some that I've tried a little bit of and just kind of my thoughts on that. So let's just start off on trend number one and get right into it. The first one is padded jackets, which I think is super cool, and I love the like volume of them. I have two here as examples. I have this little black cropped one here. It's super floofy and holds its shape very well because of the paddedness of it. But I just love this look, and they really over-exaggerate it in runway shows, of course, like they do with everything. And I have this one, which is more over-exaggerated than that little black one. It is this big, giant pink one, and it has this beautiful bow, which brings me into the next trend, which is going to be like bow details, and I see a lot of that on like Valentino and just other runway shows from different things. Of course, they're probably all pink bows because that's what I look at. I've seen it a lot on like bags and shoes as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that these Reeboks are like my pride and joy. And I also have like my pink bow Uggs with like the bows on the back. And then I'm seeing a lot of like bows on blouses and just kind of bow detailing wherever you can fit a bow. And I am in love with this personally because you can pretty much recreate this trend with ribbons like crazy. So you could put like a ribbon bow in your hair, you could like do the little ribbon cuffs at the end of something, you can do a ribbon choker, and it is just such a classy and beautiful look, and you can pick any color you want. So I really love this trend. I'm probably gonna do like a DIY ribbon thing sometime in the future just because it is so versatile and I really love the look of it. So the next one is kind of this, I believe it's pronounced like diamante or something like that trend. This came on strong like in the summertime where things are just like covered in diamonds, and I have some slides that just have pure crystal tops to them. And then I feel like the trend is kind of like becoming a little bit more toned down, but it's still very like prevalent. Whereas like right here there's like the diamante straps, and then I have this cute little belt that is so pretty to like wrap around the waist. I got this from Amazon for like $10 or something, but I really love this trend. This is one of my favorites, obviously, because it's so sparkly and luxury, and I really love where this trend is going, and I hope it doesn't go away. So next up is the crochet trend. I am fully on board with this ever since seeing the outfit that Bella Hadid wore. That is just all crochet. I currently have that whole entire outfit on its way to me because I'm just so in love with it. I really love all white crochet things. I feel like whenever you start getting into colors, it starts looking too kind of weird. It looks a little childish if it's like a bright yellow crochet something or other. But I personally love crochet if it's all white. Now I may not go as far as wearing it downtown quite like Bella did. I'm wearing mine on a trip or a vacation, and I might wear it a few times in the summer. But I'm going to treat it kind of more like a swimsuit cover-up, especially like the pants, because it is just so thin. But I think that the entire crochet look is beautiful. So this next one has been around for like at least a year, I think, and it is not going anywhere in the new year. It's these frills and ruffles on every little bit and edge of pieces, and it makes everything so girly and cute. It's also exhibited on my everyday purse here from Michael Kors, where it just has all the little frillies all around all the edges and the seams and everything, and it just makes it look so cute and extra and girly. So yeah, I'm really, really happy. I don't want this one to go anywhere. I want to keep seeing frills on everything, frills and bows, and I will be a happy person. The next one that I haven't like gotten crazy on board with yet, but I've tried out a little bit, is the kind of plaid phase that like all the runway shows are going for, and it's really like new to me, it seems like. But I got this yellow plaid set from Shein, and I'm looking to get something like the perfect pink plaid skirt because I think that that would like really vibe with me with the plaid trend, and I like it. It's very cutesy and schoolgirl, which I really like cutesy things. And I really like this outfit. I took it up skiing and it was really kind of cool and like retro, so I'm kind of feeling the plaid trend. It just needs to be tasteful, I guess. I'm not saying that this bright yellow plaid thing is like fully tasteful, but I was definitely just testing out the trend. Next up, the undeniable teddy bear trend. People will literally put teddy bear material on everything and anything now. Teddy bear sneakers, I love them, by the way. I like this trend a lot. And I have maybe 6 or 7 different teddy bear coats. I was like pausing there for a second to be like, do I have more? I might have more than 6 or 7. I think this is super, super cute, though it's definitely a winter trend because it's so cozy and like warm kind of looking. So I think come summer it might kind of die out a little bit, but I'm hoping it comes back next winter and fall because I really think it is super cute and such a nice texture to add to any outfit. Okay, so this one is mentioned in like every trend video, so I just couldn't avoid it. It's the big chunky trainer trend. This is pretty much my one try at getting them. And these are like a Balenciaga dupe from Jessica Berman. And they're really pretty cute. I like them in some circumstances. These are definitely a more calm version of the trend. I've seen so many like clashing colors and bright, I don't know, they look like old. So I know that that's kind of the look, but I feel like this is kind of my take on it, and I still really like these. But they definitely are thick. They're very chunky. So yeah, I have like mixed feelings on this one. I feel like even like with a little pencil dress, you could pull it off if you have long enough legs. These are probably the only ones I'll ever get, unless I get white. But I like it, but I don't. Just depends on how it's executed. So I'm not really sure if this trend is on the way in or out, but I've been looking at Chanel a lot lately, and it's very prevalent in their brand, and it's the tweed and kind of like cross-stitched knit look, and they have like the tweed pink bags and everything, and I feel like that and one other bag are on my top want wish lists right now. I don't know why I like it, but I think just like the unconventional materials for bags I just really like. Leather bags are great and everything, but I think the fact that it's like this crazy out there material is just so cool. I really, really want a pink Chanel tweed bag. And I'm also going to look for the perfect tweed kind of blazer and skirt set. I've seen some of them on like Shein and Romley, but not a whole lot yet, but that's usually where the trends kind of start to peak, is on those fast fashion sites. But all of them just aren't quite right for me yet because there aren't that many out there. They all have like too much black in the mixture for me, so I am still waiting to get my set. And then I'm also still loving this lilac color that has been cycling out there in the fashion world, and it is kind of like this pink, like I'd call it pink, but it's always called lilac online. So it's like this really dusty kind of rose purple tinted pink, and I think it is so elegant and really mature pink. So I'm super in love with this, and I really hope I see this color a lot more. And I'm starting to really love like darker pinks. So this is pretty much just a darker version of that pink. But I have another purse on the way from Prada that is such a gorgeous, yummy, like dark, rich pink. I'm really liking dark pinks for bags right now. But don't worry, blush pink and pastel pink will always be my favorite. So I think that is all the trends that I wanted to cover and chat about with you guys today. Let me know if I missed any, or if there are any that are like on the rise right now that I might have just not seen yet, because I always like knowing about that stuff. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions for me as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.